Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says that 20% surface side have absorbed N2 on hitting N2 gas revolved from site and were collected at 0.0001 atm and 298 Kelvin in a container of volume 2.46 semi-cube. Density of the surface side is 6.023 into 10 to the power 14 per semi-square and surface area is 1000 semi-square. Find out the number of surface side occupied per molecules of N2. So what is the key concept here? Here key concept is the adsorption. Here key concept is the adsorption. Now if you look into this question, you can see that we have the pressure of the N2, the volume of the N2 and the temperature at which the N2 is absorbed, etc. So we will use the ideal gas equation to calculate the number of moles of N2 present in the surface side. So as per this question, we have all the requisite information, that is P of N2 is equal to 0.001 atm, V is 2.46 semi-cube. So if we have to convert it in the liter, that is 2.46 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter. T is 298 Kelvin and the value of R in liter atmosphere unit will be 0.0821 liter atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse. So we will use all this information to calculate the number of moles of N2 present in the surface side. So that is N of N2, that is the number of moles of N2, is equal to PV by RT from the ideal gas equation. Now putting all the values, 0.0014 pressure, 2.46 into 10 to the power minus 3 for the volume, 0.0821 is the value of the universal gas constant in liter atmosphere unit, and T is 298 Kelvin. So on calculation it will be 10 to the power minus 7 moles. Now from Avogadro's hypothesis we know that 1 mole of a substance will have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. So therefore 10 to the power minus 7 moles of N2 will have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 10 to the power minus 7, that is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 16 number of molecules. Number of molecules. Now as per this question, the total surface area available is the density into the area, and the density is given as total surface area is equal to number of side per semi square, number of side per semi square into area, and both these values have been provided in the question. The value of number of side per semi square, that is the density, is 6.023 into 10 to the power 14 into area, that is 1000 semi square. Both this information have been given in this question. So on calculation it will be 60.23 or 6.023 into 10 to the power 17. So this is the total surface area, this is the total surface sites available. Surface sites available. sites available. Now, in the first line of the question, it is given that nitrogen is occupied 20% of the total surface area. So this is the total surface area, 6.023 into 10 to the power 17, whose 20% is occupied by the nitrogen. So therefore, surface side occupied or absorbed by N2 is equal to 20% into available site that is 20% into available site is 6.023 into 10 to the power 17. So on calculation it will be 12.046 into 10 to the power 16. Now we have to calculate the number of sites occupied by each of the N2 molecules. So therefore, number of sites absorbed by per molecules of N2 or per molecule of N2 is equal to available site of N2 divided by total number of N2 molecule. Now we have already calculated the available site that is occupied by the N2 molecule, that is 12.046 into 10 to the power 16 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 16. So on calculation it will be 2 is equal to 2. So therefore each molecules of N2 occupied 2 sites. Therefore each molecules of N2 absorbed two sites. So this is the answer. I hope this will answer your question. Thank you.